más nomás. You don't need that much. And you guys are set with your little taco in there. That cheese on the bottom of the back.